Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Tatiana Westco here. Today I'm giving you snatch ponytail vibes using my Beauty Forever bundles. You already know they be coming through for the kid, and I got some water wave bundles this time, y'all. In the beginning I just showed you all the products that I use to put my hair up into a sleek ponytail because that is necessary for this hairstyle. You need to make sure your hair is looking real sleek, but don't make it look dry because you still need to make your hair look moisturized. So if you need to put all different types of oils after you sleek it up, please do so. I know sometimes people overwhelm their own hair with a whole bunch of hairspray, and that's just a whole bunch of alcohol at the end of the day. Did you hear what I said? Alcohol? Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of alcohol, and you just need your hair to look very luscious and moisturized in a style like this, you know what I'm saying? Because your bundles just might be trying to outshine you like Beauty Forevers. But this hair obviously didn't come this color. I just bleached the ends and I dyed the top half jet black. I took my time with this because when they say pre-pluck, honey, they mean it. They mean it from the bottom of their heart, and I appreciate a company that actually means pre-plucked. Like, don't even make me go there. So I'm just basically sleeking the hair up. I don't put a lot of product in the hair because that is when it looks a little crazy. Also, I like to put water if I needed to get, you know, in a really sleek state, but I don't just go with a whole bunch of hairspray because then that makes the hair look crunchy and it just starts looking really weird. Obviously, you're going to do the same thing that you would do with a wig to this frontal that you're, you know, creating with a high ponytail. It's nothing different. It may look a little scary or weird, but it's not. You know, you can do it. I promise. If I can do it, you can do it. So I'm just basically using the razor to remove some of the lace, and this just gets, you know, a more jagged cut versus a scissor cut, and that can make the look very forced and unprofessional. So I must use like a razor for this step. But look at that, that's oil sheen. That's bringing that hairline to life. You know, it can get real dry. You might need to use some of the alcohol to remove the hairspray, but do not use the alcohol to remove the dry look, because obviously alcohol is going to make it even more drier. You know what I'm saying? So if I put you on, just go ahead and hit that like button. Just go ahead and be like, sis, you smart, you loyal, period. All right, so I'm just braiding the frontal, and then I'm going to attach the bundle to the end and wrap that hole around this braid, and it's just going to come together, sis. It's going to come to life, and you're going to see the slaying. So you're probably wondering, like, what you do to your hair? Like, where your hair at? You didn't put that part in there. Girl, my ponytail is still back there. I made it as small as I possibly could because I just don't have time to be trying to braid my hair into any kind of hair because my hair is so stubborn. So I just don't have time for it. But I make my ponytail as small as possible. That's the only way that this will work. If your ponytail is very, very small, you can do it like this, but some people hair is super long, super thick. It'll be impossible, and you'll actually have to braid your hair into the frontal. But the part that you need to know for this is all about density. You know, you need to make sure your hair looks really full doing this little, you know, technique right here, because you don't want a skimp ponytail, especially when you're rocking a frontal. You don't want the ponytail to be looking all thin and your frontal is looking all full. You don't want that. So you're definitely going to have to use 1.5 bundles for a more realistic look, a more natural look. But you can go to 3 if you want something big and crazy, you know, and that's always a vibe too. I love big hair. So I pretty much put 2 bundles for my look, and then I combed it out with my dimming brush. That's why it's important to have a dimming brush. It's really easy to detangle hair. And then I use some Eco Styling Gel to help make the band a bit more smoother without having to add so much hairspray. Hairspray is cool, but sometimes it can make the band look very crunchy and just weird, and I hate that look. So I had to go thicker on the band today just because I wanted everything to like mesh well. Alright, y'all, so now I'm pretty much going to just take some pieces out towards the front because I don't want any baby hairs. I'm not really a baby hair type of girl when it comes to frontals. They always just turn out looking too forced for my liking. So I just decided to do something like this, kept it cute, kept it simple. You can make them thicker, obviously, but I couldn't take too much hair out or I was going to start fucking shit up, and I was not about to do that. Risk it all for who? Not y'all. JK, I love you guys, but I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks super beautiful, even blown out or brushed out, because I just brushed it out with my diamond brush. And just look at all that color, sis. It's so funny because I did this freaking video like a month ago, y'all, and funny how it's about to be March or whatever, and this can be like, you know, inspired for that little day that I'm over here going blank on. What is it called? Oh god, I need to go back to school. St. Patrick's Day. Yes, that day. Okay, so anyway, let's get back to this hair. I'm using my bed head crimper. I bought this from Ulta. This hoe gets so hot, so please be careful, okay? I almost dropped this on my neck one day, and let me tell y'all, YouTube would have been canceled. So here is the final look, you guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. I will list Beauty Forever water wave bundles in the description box. You must get this freaking hair. I'm telling you, it's perfect. If you're a very versatile type of person, you want to curl your hair, straighten your hair, water wave hair is the best type of hair to do it with. So definitely check the bundles out in the description box below. I love you guys. Don't forget to